Hello guys! In this video, you will learn how you can delete YouTube app. So without further ado, let's begin. So now right here, you can see my YouTube app. So now what I'm going to do is just to press this YouTube app and then you can see this following options. But before disabling or deleting this app, what I'm going to do is just to tap on this icon right here. After pressing or tapping on that icon, it will then direct you to this page where you can see your YouTube app information. And then right here at the bottom, you can see open, disable, and then right here for stop. But before we will go there, what I'm going to do is just to tap on storage. It will then direct me here. Now you can see right here the YouTube app and then the data and then the cache. Now right here at the bottom, you can see clear data and clear cache. So what I'm going to do is just to tap on clear data. And then after that, I'm gonna go to clear cache. It will allow you to clear all the data and to delete all the cache right on your phone from your YouTube app. After doing this, you will have much more enough space on your device or your phone. Now after clearing the data and clearing the cache, what I'm going to do now is go to the app info again, and then you can choose on this option if you want to disable the app or you can force stop the app. So it is up to you if what will you choose if you want to disable this or to force stop the app. But if you do not want to clear the data and then clear the cache, you can just directly delete or disable the YouTube app from your device. Just press this app right here, the YouTube app, and then select disable if you want to delete this from your phone. And then now take note that YouTube and all functions related to it will be disabled if you disabled YouTube app. Now, if you want to enable the app again, go to settings and then apps, then select YouTube again. Now, if you want to disable this app, just tap on disable again. Now, for example, you regret you disabled the YouTube app, you can simply enable this YouTube app on Google Play Store. Just go to Google Play Store and then search for YouTube. So go to search bar and then search for YouTube. And take note that it is really important to have a good internet connection so that you can enable or download again YouTube app really fast. Now right here, as you can see, just tap on enable. Now after enabling your YouTube app, you can see right here this button update. So you can choose to update your YouTube app to the latest version. So now just tap on update. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye!